Hey Spectrum, it's me, Preston.
And me, Jesse, and welcome to Noise News.
I can't believe I only have 5 days left of school left after today.
Yeah? Well, I only have 3.
Whatever, Jesse, you don't need to pray. And wouldn't it be 2 because of Cash Tuesday?
Okay, fine. And nope, there is no Cash Tuesday next week, May 22nd. All Cash students are expected to be in Cash classes and study halls.
Oh, gotcha. Hey, have you ever heard about Ben Harvey yet?
No, what's up with him?
Oh, well, senior, Benjamin Harvey has been selected as finalist in a Federal Reserve Bank of Minneapolis student essay contest. He has been invited to a special awards workshop on Friday at the Federal Reserve Bank of Minneapolis, in which he will find out if he's in the top 3. If you see him, make sure to congratulate him on this great honor.
Wow, that's super awesome. Congrats, dude.
Yes, sirree. Well, now let's go over to sports for this week.
Hey Spectrum, how you living? It's Judah and Jackson.
Boy oh boy, did we catch some dubs for you this week, Spectrum.
Both in Fortnite and in sports.
We started the week off with a nice game with State, but picked it up on Tuesday with a close softball game, winning 9-8.
Baseball also won 11-1 on Monday, and boys varsity golf played as well.
On Tuesday, track ran their conference meet and did exceptional, and baseball fought very hard on Wednesday with a close loss of 1.
Also on Wednesday, softball played and won 7-3. And yesterday, varsity golf and softball played their game and it gave it a Spectrum effort as usual.
Finally, baseball plays at home and golf has their conference tournament. So wish them both good luck and go out and support our Sting. Thanks for watching.
Now let's cut it over to commercial break.
Air. How do you feel? Does it make you think of beautiful spring days? Or the sunshine bouncing off of a red car? How do you feel? Air. Brought to you by Nuance. Air.
My elephant car! I parked it here this morning! Did you know Spectrum High School does not allow large animals to be parked in the parking lot? Martinez! That's my elephant!
Alright, gotta jump up to the next level because there's no other mode of transportation. Oh, man. Stairs. We wouldn't need them if we could just jump up to the next level. They're so convenient. It's like little jumps. You don't need to. More.
Dancing, not for everyone. Stop. Just stop, Josh. Ow.
Just let me have it.
Okay, so anyhow, so keep going.
He's big in the road, butts!
Oh, it's not funny anymore!
My goodness.
You're a very sexy man.
Oh my god.
Oh, yes, Daddy!
Are you tired of your average high school class? Do you wish to experience a taste of college, but don't wish to commute super far or leave the high school atmosphere? Well then, the CASH program is perfect for you. CASH, standing for College at Spectrum High, offers you over 60 college credits on campus, giving you the opportunity to get a head start on college and high school. That's great, but it's not the only benefit to come from CASH. By staying on campus, you won't have to worry about losing touch with your friends, teachers, or the events that go along with the high school experience. Another benefit is the College Career Center. Next year, 4 of our classrooms will be turned into the College Career Center, a cool lounge where CASH students will be able to hang out and work on assignments. Those are just some of the great things about the CASH program. But don't take our word for it, take theirs.
Basically, it's free college credit, and college credit equals more college credit you have going into college, is less money that you have to spend, and also, I mean, I could potentially get out of school earlier.
The CASH program is pretty strong in that way, where you get the same amount of credit in the same amount of time, and you get it while you're here on campus with the people that you know and love, and so that I think is kind of a definite bonus.
We're going to have not only like the cool hangout places, but we're going to have collaborative spaces for students, which is very much like the college atmosphere.
With all of these benefits in mind, it's easy to see how enrolling in the CASH program can help improve your high school and future college experiences. If you're interested, go down to the guidance office today or send them an email with any questions you have. Become part of the CASH experience now.
Oh God! There's a bear! Dear God, help! There's a bear!
That doesn't even sound real. Oh! Remember not to roughhouse on the bus. Ah! Ah! Hey! Hey, you sit down! Back there! Quit roughhousing!
Yes, sir.
Safety.
Oh, I knew this.
Wait, you adjusted this, Tara?
Nope.
Hey guys, it's me, Preston. I sound real.
Here out at Spectrum High School. Such a gorgeous. What is that? Oh, oh no! Please don't come this way. Oh, he fell. Maybe he died. Oh no, he's still coming. Dang it! All right. Hey, what are you doing?
I forgot to order a yearbook. Hey, there's only one left. And I'm gonna sit it down, so I gotta go get one.
Hey, I want a yearbook.
I'm not even gonna try on this thing.
Say, man.
What? You're not gonna try?
Dude, no.
Why not?
Cause it's dumb, it's worthless.
These tests reflect our school.
They do not.
They do so.
Make sure to be hydrated for your test. Guys?
E-O-I-N-F. Coin.
All the beans.
Get curd.
Get them curds. Oh, no, yeah, that's bad.
Dude, this is way too.
It smells like... Oh, don't.
Oh, yeah! It's not as bad as you thought.
I feel like those little...
Well, sir, good news. There's the FCA.
FCA? What's that?
Well, good sir, I'm so pleased that you asked. The FCA is the Fellowship of Christian Athletes. They meet every Thursday, first and third Thursday of the month, when they discuss various topics and have fellowship with one another to donuts. And you don't even have to be an athlete to join.
How about something else then?
Josh.
About something that you could sell.
I bet people's moms would buy them. Like when they do
Yeah,
that
yeah.
race program things.
Yeah.
Hey, those are for after the concert.
What a cookie. Why would you do this?
Oh, yes, Daddy!
Class, listen up. We're gonna be going over some good stuff today. We're gonna go over this today, and this today. Alright. Open up your textbooks to chapter 0. 0. Josh, that's right. You don't have to stay after class.
Why, sir?
Because you have to do your homework.
I'm sorry, sir, but that's not possible.
Why? Because spring break!
Well, that's all the news we have for you today, Spectrum. This has been Jesse Hansen.
And Preston Holmes, keeping you in on the noise.